Blue dial. I'll be doing the review. Doing it nicely for me. All right, good people. Welcome back to another episode of Watch It Happen. I have another unboxing going on for you. So let's get into it. As you can see, it's another Invicta watch. Let me get you a better angle on it. All right, and a quick wrist check. I do have on my Invicta Flymaster with the blue dial. I'll be doing a review on that later. All right, so let's get into this one. All right, so a box inside a box. That means it's something good. Put that to the side. And let's do this. Get all this out the way. There we go. All right. It's crooked in there, but it's in there. You see that? Got a little cleaning cloth and instructions. All right, so what we have here is the Invicta Pro Diver Ocean Ghost with the mother of pearl dial. And yes, it is another automatic. I am in my automatic phase of life right now. That's what I'm collecting. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this sticker off this front. Let me show you all what I was talking about last time. I usually don't take my stickers off. I've had this watch for over a year. And if you can see that, you see that red line? That's because I still have this piece of plastic, protective plastic on the back of it. So no joking, I usually leave it on there until it falls off on its own. Same thing with my phones. But for you all. Alright, so we do have the Invicta Ocean Ghost. Now this is a 47mm with the date window. And you see it has a shark teeth owl markers on it. And if you can see, let's see if I can get a good reflection. You see that reflection, those colors coming out? That's that mother of pearl dial on there. Alright, so let's get to taking some more of this plastic off of here for you. Got this protective plastic all over here. When they package it, they really protect it. And it does have the deploying clasp on it. And it says an all stainless steel watch. Let's go ahead and get this plastic covering off the bracelets. Oh my God. Thought it looked good before. Look at that. That polished black stainless steel. See, that's all I saw. Once you take that plastic off, look at that. Go ahead and get it off the other side over here. As you can see, we also have that Invicta logo inscribed on the side over here. It's a little gimmicky, but I love it. I think it just adds that much more to the watch. We do have that automatic action. Let me go ahead and get this sticker off of y'all. You know, I found that for some reason people love unboxing, seeing unboxings, almost as much as it seems like they love it in real life. And doing their own things. People love to watch unboxings. So that's off of there. Screw my crown back down. Don't want to mess something up. And there you go. That automatic action. See that rotor rotating around to keep it winded up. Alright, so here's the good close-up of it. You can see the raised edges on the dial. All around. Got the raised numerals. See the shark teeth real good. That automatic movement going on. And you got the date complication. Don't judge my manly thumb right there. Unscrew this again. We're going to watch this date one more time. Let's see if it gets right for us. Let's get back in focus. Alright, now let's see how close we get. It's about to cross midnight. Oh, right at midnight we flip on over to the next day. So there's some great action going on there. Crown back down. Yes. Let's go to focus one more time. Get that good look at it. I'm loving it. Loving the mother of pearl with the multicolors in there. Get you a better look at that automatic action. Yeah. Y'all enjoy that from Watch It Happen. All right. Like and subscribe.